In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download large files from Dropbox without stopping. We'll focus on two reliable approaches, using the Dropbox desktop app to sync files directly to your computer, and downloading smaller zips through the web when syncing isn't an option. I'll explain how each method works, why it helps prevent interruptions, and a few tips to keep everything smooth from start to finish. Let's start with the most dependable option, the Dropbox desktop app. Begin by installing the app on your computer and signing into your Dropbox account. Once it's set up, locate the large folder you want and let it sync to your machine. This isn't a traditional browser download. Instead, the app uses your system's internet connection to copy files to a local Dropbox folder. The big advantage here is resilience. If your connection blips or your computer sleeps briefly, syncing will automatically resume where it left off, avoiding the timeouts and stalled progress bars you often see in a browser. If your hard drive is tight on space, check the app's settings so you're only syncing the folders you need. You can pause and resume syncing from the menu if you need bandwidth for other tasks, and you can watch progress as files appear in your local Dropbox folder. To avoid interruptions, keep your computer awake, make sure you have enough free storage for the full download, and if possible, plug into a stable power source and a wired connection. Now, if you prefer the web or can't install the app, you can still avoid failures by downloading smaller zips. The idea is to organize your content inside Dropbox into subfolders that are each under roughly 20 gigabytes or fewer than about 10,000 files. Large, sprawling folders tend to choke a browser, so splitting them into smaller chunks makes the zipping and downloading process more reliable. From the Dropbox website, open a smaller folder, right-click, and choose Download. Dropbox will package that folder into a zip, and your browser will save it. Download each smaller folder one at a time and wait for each to finish before starting the next. Keep the browser tab open and don't put your device to sleep during this process. After each zip arrives, extract it on your computer before moving it elsewhere, so you can verify everything copied correctly. If one zip fails, just retry that single folder instead of the entire project. To recap, the desktop app with syncing is the most reliable and resilient path for very large downloads, while smaller zips via the web work well when installation isn't possible. Choose the method that fits your setup, and your big file should come down without stopping.